how to use a simple VPN application here so you can protect yourself when using the internet. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
This is pretty much the home screen of the application, and down here you may have some features where you can go. You have the album section, you can view photos within your device, and you have down here you have the browser option which you can browse within the application. And you may encounter some ads as you can see there, but you can pretty much browse within this VPN application and so forth. So just go back real quick, and down here you have the password manager within this application as well, but you pretty much have to go through a setup process. But if you don't want to do that, well, you can just let this part stay. So let me just go in the settings option here. You can also lock the VPN. So every time you're going to open the VPN application, you need to enter the password. Let's say you're going to exit it as well. It's going to automatically lock, or if you want to unlock it with your face or touch ID, whichever you choose. And that's pretty much it. So the server section now, you pretty much just tap on the globe icon, not the globe icon, the map icon here at the top, where you see the location, or you can tap on the auto connect section here where it says auto connect. You pretty much will see all the servers that they have available. So mostly United States, France, and United Kingdom and Germany, they have not much servers. And here you have some other servers here. You have port servers. So these are pretty much the faster servers. So in the VIP section, you don't get any free servers, guys. So do keep that in mind. So you're gonna need a subscription before you even can connect to this VPN application. So once you've selected your server, you tap on this connection button here. Will ask for connection request. You tap on OK, and you'll be connected in no time. So yeah, that's just really it for this application. Nothing much. And for the subscription, you can just tap on the crown icon at the top there. You can see pretty much the subscription for the plans and everything. You do get a 3 days free trial, which you can try the application. You can always cancel at any time. So I do recommend you give it a try. Try their 3 days subscription, and if you do want it, you can purchase their subscription. So that's pretty much it. If I miss anything at all, please comment below. Glad to help you out. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.